3 perfect crypto gems to buy on the dip. Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the Bits Pulse YouTube channel, the #1 destination for all things crypto. In recent days, the broader crypto market has experienced a massive sell-off. While these corrections are not abnormal, this was the first in quite some time. The overall market cap for crypto is still up 40% this year, so after seemingly rising for most of the spring, this correction may have been a little more painful than usual and caught some investors off guard. Yet these corrections usually offer the most opportunities. This was not the result of a major development, but mainly of a natural flush. Think of it as 1 step back and then 2 steps forward. For those looking for a chance to get their hands on some cryptocurrencies with long-term potential, here are 3 I'm buying on the dip. 1. Bitcoin. Not much needs to be said here. Bitcoin has been the leader of the crypto asset class for the past 15 years, and will likely remain so for decades to come. Even though it is the most valuable cryptocurrency, that doesn't mean there isn't room to grow. Several predictions claim that Bitcoin will one day reach $100,000, $500,000 or even $1 million. As sensational as they sound, the overarching theme that Bitcoin's value is likely to grow is probably not wrong. With its finite supply, declining inflation, and rising demand, Bitcoin's price will continue to experience upward pressure as it is pushed and pulled by the fundamental laws of supply and demand. While this doesn't mean there won't be bear markets and corrections along the way, there is no safer option for growing crypto portfolios than Bitcoin for investors with a long time horizon. Recently, Bitcoin fell to $57,000, but has since recovered some of those losses and is currently trading for around $63,000. Even though the price has risen in recent days, there are still opportunities for investors. In the same way that the days of sub $10,000 Bitcoin are over, the days of sub $100,000 Bitcoin trading are likely numbered. 2. Stacks. I am a big fan of Stacks. As a Bitcoin-compatible Layer 2 blockchain, it introduces new functionality that Bitcoin does not natively possess, namely DeFi capabilities. The case for Stacks is clear. It effectively unlocks Bitcoin's $1.5 trillion market cap so it can be used outside of the traditional buy and hold strategy. The layered architecture offers the benefit of Bitcoin's security and decentralization, but with the added ability to participate in several popular DeFi applications, such as lending protocols, purchasing non-fungible tokens, and yield farming. To quantify Stacks' potential, take a look at the Layer 2 blockchains built on top of it. Ethereum. Today, Ethereum-compatible Layer 2s are collectively worth around $23 billion. If Stacks were to achieve comparable utility to Ethereum's comparable helper tokens, their price would increase more than 7-fold. Compared to Bitcoin, Stacks' price was hit particularly hard during the recent correction. The price has fallen by more than 30% in recent weeks. Like Bitcoin, it has recovered some of those losses, but the price still remains far from the high of $3.48. A recovery from the previous high would give investors a generous 50% gain, but when we look at its potential as the main Bitcoin Layer 2 and its ability to become as big as Ethereum's Layer 2 blockchains, there is still a lot of upside for Stacks. 3. Airport. If you haven't heard yet, perhaps the most popular blockchain on the market today is Base. It is Coinbase Worldwide's entirely proprietary blockchain and is optimized to have an easy-to-use interface along with extremely low fees and blazing fast speeds. It can get a bit technical, but Base doesn't have its own cryptocurrency. This design is likely the result of efforts to stay out of the purview of the Securities and Exchange Commission, but that doesn't mean there isn't an opportunity to make money. Instead of investing in a native cryptocurrency on Base, as you would with Ethereum or Bitcoin, the next best option is to give your portfolio some exposure to Base's burgeoning potential by investing in the most valuable cryptocurrency available on Base's built, Airport. The Airport is known as a decentralized exchange, DEX. Users can exchange tokens, provide liquidity to earn yield, and even earn rewards for participating in voting processes. As it stands, Aerodrome represents almost half of the total value on Base, making it the ideal proxy to gain exposure to the fast-growing blockchain. The Airport is down about 40% in the past week. That may sound bearish, but this kind of correction is probably overdue. Since its launch in February this year, Aerodrome is up more than 1,100%. With its unique technology that encourages user participation and its home base on one of the most popular emerging blockchains, it could be a hidden gem in the market. But Aerodrome is still new and has a lot to prove, so be careful. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date on all the latest crypto news and insights. And don't forget, we have a special offer for our viewers. Bybit, our partner, has a copy trading platform where you can copy the trades of successful traders. They have a 75% success rate, so it's a great way to make some extra money in the crypto market. The link is in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.